Hi, welcome to Season Makers. This is Meera from Season Makers, welcoming everyone to my channel here. Actually, today I'm arranging my jewelries to actually these are the best-selling jewelries in the last few months, and we have the repeated order of these jewelries. So I thought that let me do a video on it and show it to you. See, this one is one of our best-selling choker necklace of last few months. So having again with us, okay, and this is the pretty choker with gold plated and champagne stones. You can get all the color stones in it, okay, all color stones you can get. So very pretty. Let me show you one more, having earrings too. Okay, moving to the next one. This kind of pretty necklaces, classic necklaces are with us. These are giving you real diamond look. I'm telling you, this is giving you the real diamond look. And this is a gold plating over there, over here, and you can get all color options of it. Okay, flexible loose joint sets, flexible loose joint sets. You can get all color options. I'm showing you a bit faster because I have a lot of designs to show. And the red one, this is the red one, okay, and this is the baby pink or pastel pink, which is very trendy right now in market. One of our very pretty design, here it is. You can get back chains. So this is the design. It is a full set. You can get a full set. You can get bangle, you can get finger ring, you can get a set of this one. This one, okay. So having all color options of each and every jewelry. As you know, we are manufacturer of cubic zirconia jewelry from India, from West Bengal, the eastern part of India. This is the choker having so much demand. I can't express, you know, when people are just demanding. Some people are just demanded this one only, 24-36 pieces for their shop, for the people who have wedding, because their customer demanding it. That's why they are also demanding this set, and we make it. Yeah, we are, you know, people always, whatever people want, we are doing that. How is it? This is amazing, isn't it? Very trendy, very pretty design. I'm sure it's looking so good. It is also having earrings. Plating is real gold plating. Okay, so we are having we are assuring you about our quality, that we are not compromising a bit. The stone, from the stones to the plating, we are trying to do the best with it. We are trying to do the best. The best part of one jewelry, let me show you this. This is one of our exclusive jewelry, which is having bracelets also, ring, earring and all. Is a full set, and this is one of our exclusive set. Please try to communicate with us on our giving WhatsApp number. Our website details are there. This isn't it giving you real diamond look? I'm sure you definitely want to know more about our jewelries, about our company and all. Please try to communicate with us. This is CZ Makers, the manufacturer of zirconia jewelry from India, from West Bengal, and we are making the best, finest jewelry for worldwide people, for customers, and we are having customers from worldwide. So expecting your responses, and thank you so much. Like, share and comment. If you want any information, we are ready to give you the information, answers. Thank you.